What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are here in the garage. I'm testing out my new camera. It is the Sony A7C. It's actually a compact full-frame camera, and I actually traded in some of the lenses I had that I don't use anymore, plus my Fuji camera system, and I got this setup. Actually, I've been wanting this setup for a while now. A full-frame compact camera probably is the best way to go, just for the fact that you can do a lot of things with full frame. I did get the new Sony 16 to 35 f4 power zoom lens. So here it is. It's at 20, actually 20 millimeters. Punch in. That's 35. What I like about this camera, it has clear image zoom, so I could take this camera and zoom in even more past 35 to 1.5, and that looks like probably a 50 mil right there. So that's pretty cool. So let's go back out. Right there. Now I don't have any filters on this yet. I'm probably going to need filters just for the fact that, look at this. It looks like right now it's saying it's underexposed because exposing from my face, but the background here is all out of focus and blown out. So I am going to need a filter for this camera. I don't have it. I think I do have one. This is a 72 millimeter front ring to put on, so I'm gonna have to look up. I'm gonna have to try to find if I have one. If I don't, maybe to keep it easier on myself, I'll buy a step down ring, because I have two 82 mil filters that I use for this bad boy right here. This is my Sony A7 III. This is my actual physical camera. It actually can do video, but you know, switching back and forth kind of sucks. So I got this to be my main vlogging camera, and this will be my main photography camera with my 24 to 70 2.8 Sigma lens. This is a beast. Well, anyway, I just want to let you guys know I am working out the kinks and making sure everything's working. So far, this camera is really light. It's really awesome. I actually have it on my my little Joby Gorilla Pod. But yeah, so a quick little video. Can't wait to use it and bring it out. You know, I still have the GoPros for motovlogging, and it's really nice that I could take this setup with me, nice and light, put it in one of my bags. Especially in the Harley, I can actually put it in the saddlebag, take it out, and it'll be all ready, good to go. I do maybe have to buy for the screen protectors and all that, maybe even a cage, but you're adding weight to it if you do add a cage. So, but this will be my new walking around vlogging camera. Great setup, can't wait to use it. So, quick little video. Hope you like it. Hope the image quality comes out nice and crispy. It's in 4K. The settings for slow motion are still in 1080, so we're gonna have to work that in. But anyway, I do just export everything to YouTube on 1080 anyway, so it really doesn't matter. I don't do 4K, but recording in 4K, downsizing 1080, image is always crispy. So if you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Can't wait to use this camera. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe. I do a lot of ride videos, review videos, and a lot of photography. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.